Hi, I'm Alistair from the Mower Shack. We had a lot of success from our other videos, so what we're going to do is make you a nice video now in more details, because with this machine there's 3 ways to mow and it's a very powerful machine. So the 3 ways are: you can collect the grass with a grass collection at the back, but you can also mulch with this strange looking device that goes down the inside of the chute, sits above the blades and stops the grass coming up into the grass box. So you can actually go around and mulch. You don't have to collect the grass all the time. And thirdly, if your grass is a bit long, you can put this side chute on and kick the grass out to the side. And we'll show you just how long grass you can do later on in the video. So let's go on and show you a bit more about this machine. I'm going to show you mowing. First of all, we're going to start it very simple, full revs. Off we go. Select your cutting height. I've put this on 4, which is 4 out of 6. So it's not too low, not too high. But we'll see how it goes through this longer grass. I've got my grass box on the back. I'm collecting this time. Engage the blades. And we're off. So I can go as slow or I can go as fast as I want to, and it's absolutely no problem through this longer grass. Perfectly okay. Nice tight turning circle at the end. Spin her around, back down again. Even on this rough ground it's not a problem. And that's cutting beautifully along here. So I'll try some even longer stuff. A few branches. I've got a 150 litre grass box on here, so it will actually collect a lot more grass than you think. And it's a 250cc engine, and it's got lots of torque, it's got lots of power in it. So when I think I've collected enough grass, I'm going to disengage the blades, reverse up to my pre-selected dumping ground, lean over the back, tip the grass out and go cutting again. It's as simple as that. It's a great little machine. It's so easy for anybody to use. So there you are. Club Garden 66 automatic. Right, so for the mulching function, this means you don't have to collect the grass every single time. Sometimes you can just pop this in. This is a mulching plug. So it goes down and sits just above the blades here. And now it stops the grass coming up the chute into the grass box. I just pop this back on because it's got a safety device in it, just in case. And now I can just go and mulch. Here we go. So when we're mulching, we're putting the grass back in. I'll show you now what it looks like. Engage the blades. And now we're not collecting the grass. Now we're putting it back in. There's advantages to this. Because we're mulching, it's finally chopping the grass and putting it back in. It'll decompose really quickly and all the nutrients will go back into the ground. So it's perfectly okay to mulch. Just make sure the grass isn't too long if you're mulching it. But as you can see, the grass, because it's chopped up so finely, you can't see it on the ground. So mulching plugs are excellent if you don't really have anywhere where you can get rid of the grass. You just need to cut it a little bit more often than normal. Mulching plugs, a great way to avoid having lots of grass clippings. Right, so now I'm going to quickly fit the side dispenser. It just pops in under there. That clips back down. And now let's go and tackle some longer grass and show you just how much power this little machine's got. Okay, so let's have a go. I'm going to start this up, give it full revs. I'm going to cut quite low, so I'll go on number 3. Gauge the blades. Now let's see what this thing can do. This is ideal if your grass is a bit longer, or if you've missed the cut. And that's throwing it out the side, and it stops the machine getting clogged up. It's also better if the grass is a bit damp. And that's handling this absolutely perfect. Also, I can mow in reverse if I've missed a bit. But this side shoot is actually quite a nice little addition. Just if the grass is a bit longer. I really like that. Now I can go back and collect it with my grass collector.